Alright, so what we're doing here, since my buddy's quote-unquote new alternator is not bolting up, we're going to switch the important part out, which is the brushes, excuse me. Really, it's the cheapest part of the alternator anyway. It's the easiest to fix. And if you can find the parts for your alternator to repair it, saves you quite a few bucks, but you gotta be able to find the parts for it. And no, I won't have a link in the bottom telling you where to find them, but this is where it's at. That little thing sticking up in there, there's two of them. That's your brush. That thing sits on the rod. As it spins, it sends the electricity through. That's how that works. That's typically the thing that goes to hell in a handbasket when your alternator goes out. Unless you're hearing squeaking and stuff like that, in which case that's more like your pulley and your bearings. But we're just putting his old one back together with the new brushes in the back and see how that works, since the new quote-unquote new one won't bolt up. There's a threaded grabber in the back of it that won't capture the bolt, so you gotta try this way.